For the Genesis clock, we've got all the parts cut out. I've been nipping away at this during the last couple weeks, a little bit in the evening, a few parts here and there. I have the instructions, the plans printed out that were purchased from Clayton. And I believe the first step is to mount the frame. So we're going to start with this. And as far as putting that up on a wall, I don't have a free space in the shop here. So I built kind of a temporary stand on my 3D printing table. And this is pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. Everything's plumb. I've got some vertical lines. And we're going to get that frame mounted and see where we go from there. For my arbor cutting, I use this little jig. I built this within the last year or so, and I've got another video on this. Really simple, just a drill with a Harbor Freight cutoff wheel. And this holds everything pretty well, makes it nice and easy. And as far as putting slots in things, that's what this little part is. I've got all the brass rods cut and polished up, and everything indicated on our frame here. Starting to get the arbors installed with their supports. Very close tolerances here. In glue up mode, never enough clamps. I have to get some more clamps for this one. Slowly making progress on the assembly of the Genesis clock. As far as the escapement wheel, everything else here is working pretty well. The escapement wheel is just a little bit out of round, about a 1/16 of an inch off. So I've got a little jig to kind of true that up a little bit. This little jig is about as simple as it gets. Just a piece of scrap ply. I've got an 1/8 inch hole drilled in there and an opening cut through the center there. So this piece can go back and forth a little bit and then just gets clamped down. Slowly making progress on this Genesis clock. Got the pallet engaging here. Everything's spinning pretty freely. And we'll move on to the pendulum bob as well as the smaller gears on the back of these real soon. Thanks for taking a look.